This is the Infinity, one pair of in-ear noise-canceling earbuds and one pair of comfortable semi-open earbuds, both stored in a swiveling charging case. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Infinity for best results. Tip 1. You may be wondering, well, what's the point of having two different pairs of earbuds? Well, there are a couple reasons for this, and the first one is related to its name, Infinity. With this set, you can essentially get infinite playtime by keeping one pair charged while using the other. That way, you can easily swap to the other pair whenever the first is running low on battery for pretty much endless playtime. Tip 2. The second reason is for versatility. The in-ear noise-canceling earbuds, named the Infinity NC, are perfect for blocking out louder environments, like on planes or in busy cafes. The semi-open earbuds, the Infinity SO, are best for places where you want to stay more aware of your surroundings, like in an office or at home. No matter where you are or what you're doing, the Infinity will work for you. Tip 3. Both pairs of earbuds have 6 built-in microphones that utilize CVC 8.0 noise filtering technology. In other words, you'll be able to join calls and rest assured that your voice, and only your voice, will be transmitted loud and clear, even in noisier environments. Tip 4. You can personalize your listening experience with the Avantalk app. You can either choose among 7 preset EQ modes or tailor different frequencies to your liking for full control of your audio experience. Tip 5. The Infinity earbuds are equipped with an advanced Qualcomm chipset that supports both aptX adaptive and the latest Bluetooth LE audio codec. LE audio allows you to enjoy ultra-low latency and high-fidelity sound with compatible devices like the Pixel 7 and the Galaxy S23. Even if you don't have one of these devices, LE audio will be rolling out to more and more devices in the future, and you'll be able to use the Infinity for years to come with full compatibility. And there you have it. We hope you enjoy your experience with the Infinity. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, reach out to us at support@avantry.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.